Hornbill TV te new Chumou kidi mare ahigene ase new Chumou kidi mare ahigene thaka nishna new Chumou kidi ma gate Patkai bridge pra Kohima pane ahile bishi dur no hoigene yede jwa sal hi rasta bhangi ja ada 4 lane thaka do 2 lane do bhangi jaigene rasta bana laga dikhi paise Hornbill TV bra itu rasta banai thaka la update bi di thagise Hornbill festival de do somehow 4 lane do aru bi shape te ahi jaise hoile bi jwa hapta nishna hi itu rasta do complete hua proper 4 lane do complete hua laga dikhi paise dikhi pa nishna very unfortunately moi khan kali flash flood ekta ahia laga jankari yere viewers kan ge di thaga nishna aji itu rasta do bhangi ja laga dikhi pai ase NH-29 khan pra rasta banai dia laga flash flood to withstand kuribole napari ja laga moi khan itia dikhi pa ase rasta do moi khan khara kuri thaga nishna crack hoi ja laga norom hoi gene crack hoi ja laga dikhi pa ase kuntu yere commuters khan laga life karne bishi dangerous ase itu ekla hi no hegene tai khan yere nodi re safety railings khan pathor khan bi uthai gene thakya han bi bhangi jai gene ineka foundation to ekdam strong na hoi ja laga bi dikhi pai ase but moi khan itia laga sawal du ki ase koile state government bra NH-29 khan logore kotha kuri gene rasta do kinika uthawo lage specifications dia han NH-29 khan bra follow kurishna nai itu bishi ekta dangor sawal ase Nagaland laga chief minister pra jwa sal hi yere pathor khan do bhal pra pile up kuri diwole laga janai dia nishna tahan itu pile up kurishna na itu point number 1 sawal second hoile do nodi laga pani do divert kuri diwole laga moi itia yere moi laga hat jai thaga nishna tate pathor dikhi ase nodi hoile do pathor do bhangai digine tai khan nodi do divert kuribole laga koi thaga nishna divert kurya nai yere NH-29 khan laga hunipa hisab hole do tai khan laga excuse to ki ase koile do yere mati do tai khan issue thagi ja karne tai khan napari ja laga bi hunipa ase but then district administration do otherwise kwa ase koi gene bi hunipa ase itia moi khan sai gene jaile do normally gari khan do polai ase but is the NH-29 or the state government waiting for another tragedy jua sal moi khan tragedy hua nishna itu itia bi rukhes na kini ka plan kuri gine jawole ase hodai inega hoi gine jawole ase gole to rasta alag hi banai diwole ase na itu rasta do aru bi stronger measures loi gine banawo itu kunba dangor sawal ase hunipa hisab hole do district administration along with NH-29 kan ahi gene itu rasta bhangi ja laga rasta do inspect kuri wole ase ko ase moi khan tai khan ke further rukhi thagi gine further questions bi hudi gine jawo
Yeah. So we'll hear from them and then we'll see what is the detailed plan, na? Yeah.
Mogan yete contract Korea do Mogan NHI under NH-29 la Korea. Mogan Taikan specification Taikan la guidelines ki diche material holiday Taikan ki diche eku compromise Korea nai. Itu hisab te hai Mogan Taikan la under their supervision. Taikan engineers kan la supervision de hai from day 1 to aji tak complete kurije holiday kali achanat inega damage ho jaje to itu hai ase mogan la site to hoy mogan to mogan la parte ki pare kurije eku works se compromise kore na mogan ki tagise itu hai kurije mogan to inega ase mogan to these are open tenders e-tenders so mogan bid kore tade mogan contract work to paise to tade para BOQ hisab para mogan kam kore to above that we can't do anything tai kan BOQ te ki ase mogan itu he kore in fact yete site mogan additional works ti kuri je mogan tai kan la guidelines para he itu he mogan
immediate measures but can you also explain to us exactly in detail about the measures that you will take on this stretch Pagla Pahar stretch
See, immediate measures are to rectify the damages happened. Okay. Currently, on that side, the main structure is safe. Only the additional protection work what was done that got damaged. So we will try to rectify it. But currently, the problem is to get the access towards that. River flow is still high. As soon as the water recedes, we'll start the rectification work from there. Okay. Similarly, that will continue wherever it is got damaged. That will continue. This.
Sir, the specifications that was discussed with the state government between NHIDCL and state government, did you follow all the specifications, sir?
Yeah. Whatever specifications.
How about the rock cutting out there, sir?
That hill cutting is in pipeline. Already land acquisition part is over. It is under tendering process. So as soon as it is completed, it will.
Was there miscommunication? Last week only land compensation issue was brought up by NHIDCL, whereas our government officials said that no, NOC has been sent from way back. Why job was not done?
I am not able to comment on that because
is there a miscommunication?
because no, there is no miscommunication.
Then
Because
why is the NHIDCL not taking immediate action on all these things?
see, that is NHDCL have to follow certain set procedures. Okay, we have to do the
Why
tendering.
then, sir, many deaths are happening, many mishaps, many accidents are happening.
Immediate measures are being taken. But at the same time, I can assure you there is a permanent plan. Okay, this entire stretch there is a detailed study is going on. It's almost completed.
Sir, so it took the NHIDCL months to construct this road, sir. But do you think you have compromised in certain ways because it just took one flash flood to destroy
Substandard
this road again, sir?
No, I will not say that there is any substandard work because of the the river flow. Currently, it's about 3 meters down compared to yesterday's level. So all of a sudden, that kind of a cloudburst kind of situation happens.
The road construction that was made, sir, the flash flood, it definitely, sir, it comes every year, sir. However, despite seeing the consequences that might be coming, sir, did you still construct this road?
This whatever we constructed as of now is all are temporary measures. This is not the permanent measures. Okay, permanent measures are in place, but it is taking its own time because they have to do a lot of studies, investigations. Then the consultants they are almost finalizing everything.
But sir, under the Indian Road Congress, there are guidelines you need to follow in hilly river areas, hilly areas, sir. IRC guidelines are there.
Yes, we have
those
followed.
are guidelines
We
made
have followed all the guidelines. Okay.
So ito thagishe Hornbill TV bra itya yare district administration along with NHIDCL contractors kan logore miligine ahigine yare rasta biya hua laga overnight rasta bana biya hua laga tahan survey kurado moi kan itya update paise DC laga side prado moi kan iman statement pa nai huni pa hisab hoile do tai kan ekta consultative meeting loi gena itu consultative meeting pichire decide kuribo koi gena ase but then itya sai gena jaile do district administration NHIDCL kan hoile bi itu swift action swift step na loile do itya bi aru bi tragedy thagibole laga chances moi kan dikhi pa ase tai laga itu foundation kan uthahan bi majority do bhangi ja dikhi pa ase itu eglai noi gena yare moi kan khara kuri thaga itya yare rasta biya hoi ja crack hoi ja do itya foundation do ekdam strong na hoi ja laga sign ase heavy vehicles kan garne hoile do yare aha ja kura do ekdam safe na hoi jawa nishna ase pani giri ase itya hoile bi moi kan weather update te saile bi ahia din kan de holi pani giri gene jawale nishna dikhi pa ase ina hoile do kinika hoi gene manu safe hoi gene thagibo aru kinika hoi ne tragedy avoid kuro itu han bi man sabo DC hoile do state government la side pra hoile bi ahi gene sa laga dikhi pa ase moi kan paratak aru bi DC laga side pra bi tai kan consultative meeting de kinika decisions loi gene ase itu laga bi huda hudi kuri gene jabo Hornbill TV apni ange itu laga related bi updates bi ani thagibo itya garne man hobo reporter ke Christian ke ho camera person Joy Watch Hornbill TV Chumou